Hi, this is James from ActionCOACH, and I'm delighted to be bringing you ActionCLUB. What are you going to get at ActionCLUB? You're going to get access to a team of business coaches. You are going to get to collaborate with like-minded individuals as you work on developing your businesses together. And you'll have the opportunity to better your business knowledge so you can drive results for your business. I'd like to cordially invite you to some taster sessions we're running for ActionCLUB right now. Check the details below and sign up. I really look forward to seeing you at one of those sessions. For those interested in some of the more tangible results that you can expect from ActionCLUB, then listen on. Some of the things you'll get over the curriculum are clear goals to drive your business success. You'll have the opportunity to define your USP and turn it to your advantage. We'll help you master your financials of your business so you can use them proactively to make the right investment decisions. And we'll help you develop loyal, profitable customers who keep coming back time and time again to buy your product. We'll also help you hire and develop a great team. Look, I'm really looking forward to helping you grow your businesses and seeing you at ActionCLUB. This has been James Gentle from ActionCOACH. Thank you very much indeed.